Okay, this is for our Crayon Batik, and you can see that I am drawing something from nature. I'm drawing a bird. I've sped this up pretty fast. You want something with really bright colors. They're going to work best, and you're going to want to color very, very hard. Use all your muscles on this. Probably some crayons will break. Try not to, but they just always do. You're going to want to not leave any white space or paper space in between those lines. Go through and really darken things up so that there isn't any paper exposed. Everything will be covered by crayon. The idea behind a batik is that it's all covered with wax, which we get wax in our crayons here, and then we will crack that wax when we crumple the paper, and that is where the ink will go. So like I said, I'm going really fast. You're going to want to figure out what's in your background, fill every space in. Even if it's negative space, it's still going to be colored. So after I get done putting a bunch of leaves and branches in here, the rest of it I will color just with blue for sky. Notice to make it more colorful, I'm using more than one green, even some yellow in the leaves. And when I get ready to do the background, I notice that I'm starting to get some crayon on the back on my calendar, which is in the background of this. So I get a piece of paper out and I put it behind there, so you can do the same thing so that you can get right up to the edges. When we get ready to use ink, we need to be really careful. The ink is black, it's permanent, and it does not come out of clothes. It's not even easy to clean up off of tables and stuff. So be very careful with that. It's the consistency of water, so it spills easily. But the first step is to take and crumple our paper just like we were getting ready to throw it in the trash. It lots of times will rip. You see I have a rip up there. I'm going to flip it over, use some tape on the back side, not on the front side. Then you can just cover it with ink. You're going to have some paper towels at your table to use, and just do a small section, wipe that off. If it's too dark, let me know because I can always water it down a little bit. This is about right, and I'm doing this very quickly, and then I put tape on it with my name on it, and that's it.